ka lang tayo sa ano. Ang YC.
Steven Presta, Pontiac, 1978, Trans Am. Steven Presta. Pontiac. Oh, but you're a Buick, so I didn't want this picture to see it.
Look at these toys.
Yep.
I call them toys.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I got excellent job.
Later on, it's gonna be or what if everything is gonna be go electric.
That's still gonna be a long time.
Anybody else from our crew, Jimmy?
Ghostbuster.
Yeah, the Ghostbusters.
Come on up here. I'm gonna give them the mic. I just want you all to know while we have our audience, I should have done it a little bit earlier. I, honest to God, love everybody. I don't care what you drive. A $200,000 car, a 1952 Rose Canarley, I don't care what you drive. I think that's a Rose Canarley. Roll it to work down the hill and
No double.
I don't care. I don't care what you got. I love everybody. I try to treat everybody
Oh
the same.
man, the more you know.
And I'm pretty proud. I'd like to think everybody thinks this. It took me 16 years, long years, to put the lowrider community, the hot rod community, the new cars, everybody all together as one big family. And I'm pretty darn proud of that. And I did that, thank you.
It looks so
and I
cool.
did that years ago with this man here, Jimmy Arbizu, from the Intruders Car Club. They thought they weren't welcome. Everybody's welcome. I don't care if you got a go-kart or pedal car. This is our hobby, right? Anything on wheels. But we've had some pretty funky stuff going on.
It's a lot of fun.
And we have one individual that's trying to shut the shows down, stop everything. And I won't say what else I feel because I'm on the microphone and my grandson's sitting right here. But we all have to stick together, correct? Yes. All right, Jimmy, tell us what you got. Jimmy is the president of the Intruders Car Club, by the way, and one of my sponsors today.
There's just one individual that's trying to control all the car clubs. And right now, it's in the lowrider deal, and sooner or later, she's going to come to the hot rod thing. So, what we're doing is just coming together and stopping it right now. So, and what she likes to do is divide and conquer, and we're taking it together as unity. So that's about it. So, and Nancy's right. I think I was her first lowrider in a car show, and from there, I've been common sense and doing a good fighter.